That's right, Fun Kid Club, it's Joy from Inside Out. And look who else has come with us. It's Bing Bong, everybody's friend who loves to play. He's so cute. And Joy, what a fantastic friend she would be. We all want our lives filled with joy, but we know we need all of our emotions. And the emotion we're feeling right now is excitement, because we're going to open up this really huge Play-Doh surprise egg and find out what's inside. Are you ready?
Oh, I am. Oh, I am. I'm so ready.
Hey kids, it's fun to be here. Anger. That. I'm okay. I'm really angry. Sadness. Aww. She's so adorable. If you didn't see our Sadness gigantic Play-Doh surprise egg, you ought to check it out. So cute. Oh, Fear. We did another one of Fear. We've done Fear and Anger and Sadness and now Joy. Oh, they're so cute. Do you remember that we did those things? Here's a memory ball to help you remember. We love all of the Inside Out toys. They're the best.